Central BCC to Adam, Boy, Truck 1 on TAC 1.
This is U1. Go ahead, Central.
U1, Detective Adam 40 requests you respond Code 2 to CP at 2112 Getty Avenue, the Government Plaza. Barricaded suspect in 982 Bravo Tango situation. Shots fired.
Roger, Central. We'll respond Code 2. ETA is transit time. U1 out.
Thank you, U1.
Okay, quiet down and listen. The Department of Agriculture has its local offices in the Government Plaza on Getty Avenue. Approximately 50 minutes ago, the building was entered by a group of suspects armed with assault rifles and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. It appears their plan was to raid the office, plant a bomb, and then escape. But someone messed up. The bomb detonated prematurely, causing a fire on the lower floor. The fire department attended and tried to contain the fire, but they didn't realize the bad guys were holding hostages on the upper floors. When the fire crew was shot at, they retreated and called the local precinct, who called the negotiation team. It seems these guys are local farmers who have a beef with the government's policies on genetically modified crops. They appear far better armed than your average farmer. Spotters have reported seeing them carrying M1s and wearing body armor. Somebody has sold them their gear. Probably the same somebody who sold them the explosives they used. The negotiators haven't made much headway here. They've traded 2 hostages for 2 gas masks. But other than the occasional anti-government rant, contact with the suspects has been minimal. They haven't made any direct threats against the hostages. But we're assuming their intent was to empty the building and then destroy it. But considering the clumsiness of their actions so far, we're not waiting for them to make another mistake and get somebody killed. Choose your gear and get ready to deploy.
Adam 40, this is Central BCC. Adam, Boy, and Truck 1 responding Code 2 to 2112 Getty Avenue.
Gold.
Sierra 1
Fall
reporting
in
I
on
have
me.
an unknown contact.
In position.
Disable that.
I got it. Check. On it.
TAC, this is entry team. Code 996A. We found a bomb. It's armed and counting, and there might be more of them.
Roger that, entry team. EOD are en route. ETA, 12
That was a
minutes.
cinch. It's safe.
TAC, this is entry team. We don't have time to wait for EOD. We'll have to disarm them ourselves.
Talk to entry team. Roger that.
Mirror under the door.
I wish I was a
I got it.
cop.
Copy. It'll just take a minute.
Talk to entry team. We have some new information. One of the attending firemen says he saw 6
No one in
suspects,
sight.
each carrying a large metal briefcase. Could be your
Nothing to worry
bombs.
about.
With 1 detonated and 1 disarmed, that leaves 4. Thanks for the update, TAC. Proceeding with mission.
Get in there and clear.
Move it.
Suspect
Go,
contact.
go, go.
Out of
Trailers,
sight.
let's
Let
go.
pump
Drop
out.
your weapon. Hands up.
Suspect
Suspect
fleeing.
It's clear.
Reynolds, area
Room
clear.
clear.
I ain't got all clear.
Suspect, don't
Get rid of
shoot.
that.
On
Check.
it.
On it.
You got the cuffs?
I've been shot at, blown up, and arrested. Hell of a day.
Entry team
to TAC. Suspect in custody, ready for pickup.
Copy. Stay sharp.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
Check. Rejoining you.
With you, sir. Police, on your knees!
TAC, this is entry team. Suspect killed.
SWAT.
Roger.
Hands
Keep it
up.
up.
On the floor. On the ground now.
Here's unarmed.
Shit! Don't shoot. Get down now.
Suspect in sight.
He's gone, boss. Next.
Stay back. Mirror around
Suspect
the fall in
compliant.
and stay close. I'll take point.
Understood. Following.
Moving
On your
clear.
six.
Go when ready.
Check. On it.
They're over there. Hurry! Hurry!
Don't worry, I've got you.
Weapon secured.
I don't believe this.
Doc, this is entry team.
Civilian
Suspect
Civilian is ready
No
for
suspects in
evac.
sight.
Okay.
Get those hands up!
I got point. Get behind me.
Compliant.
With you.
Hands up!
Unarmed contact in sight. Put your
Police,
hands in
get
the
down,
air. Do it
now.
now. You won't get
On
down.
the ground now!
But officer, I work here.
Contact has complied.
Zip him up.
On it, sir. We're the police. Everything is under control.
You can't do that. I'm a
Doc,
government
this is entry
employee.
team. Civilian secured and ready to evacuate.
Roger that. Trailer standing by.
Stay with me. I'm on point.
Understood. Following.
At your back, sir.
Police! Get down now! Hurry, hurry, you've got to stop them.
If you give up now, I can help you.
Now we're in this together.
Get down!
I am a supervisor
Police!
here.
Underneath!
Drop your weapon. Contact in sight. Suspect has complied.
Hands in the air! Get down!
Level
Put your hands up and get down! Clear that room.
Civilian is compliant. Roger, working on it. Hang in there. It'll be okay.
Will someone please tell me what the hell is happening?
Civilian is ready for evac.
Got some evidence, too.
From a shifty Euro trash.
Regroup. Be ready to move.
Got it. Falling in.
Guess they called out the big
Police!
guns.
Put your hands up! I'm not one of the shooters.
Entry team to talk. Injured suspect secure and ready for transport.
Roger that. Trailers and EMTs are standing by.
TOC, this is Sierra 1. Entry
We're with
team
you.
spotted.
Police! Drop your weapons! Hands up! Don't
Suspect
shoot! Drop your
compliant.
weapon! Get those hands up! Police! Drop your weapons!
TOC, this is Sierra 1.
Suspect
Element
moving
has
clear.
visual contact.
I got it.
Damn cops. Secured suspect. What kind of pansy weapon is this?
Looks like he's carrying.
Hands up! Get down and put your hands up! Show me your hands! Now!
The moron, the guys with
He's not listening.
Get them!
TOC, this is entry team.
Disable that.
Check. On it. I got it, boss. That's it. Bomb is safe.
Regroup and Police! On your knees! I work here. Get me out of here, please! Police! Put your hands up! You better
Entry
stop them
team to
quick.
TOC.
I don't
Civilian
think
is
they really know
okay,
what they're
ready
doing.
for evac. Fall in.
With you.
Hands up! Just get me out of
Civilian
here.
has complied.
But
TOC, this is
But
entry
I
team.
didn't do
Civilian
anything.
secured and ready to evacuate.
Copy. We'll be ready for them.
regroup on me.
Coming to you, sir.
I'm with you. Put your hands up and get down! On the ground, now!
Just no more explosions.
Contact has complied. Copy. On it. Stay quiet and stay low. You'll be okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Entry team
Are
to
any of the
TOC.
staff hurt?
Civilian secured, ready for evac.
Cuff him.
Roger.
Yes,
we'll
sir.
come in when it's clear.
Stay quiet.
You're nothing but a government
Sir,
pawn.
suspect restrained with evidence. Fall in on me.
Where'd you come
Got a
from?
contact.
Put your hands up and get down! Put your hands on the ground! Now!
Civilian, ready for arrest.
Take care of that room.
Shoot me.
Compliant.
Here we go. Hang in there. No hard feelings.
TOC,
Safe
this is
as
entry team.
Gun
Civilian
secured and
secured,
safe.
ready for transport.
Roger that.
Ready to go, sir.
Civilian secured and ready for transport. Civilian secured and ready to
Roger that.
evacuate.
Trailers standing by.
Regroup. Be ready to move.
Understood. Following.
Oh, thank God, I almost pissed myself. You got off too easy, punk.
Get down! Hands in the air!
Oh!
Get down!
Okay,
Hands up!
okay, I give up. I'm just an intern.
Contact has complied.
I heard one of them say they were
This
gonna
is
blow up
entry
the
team.
whole building.
Civilian
With you.
secure and ready for evac.
Nice
Roger.
work.